1. Clear grass and weeds. A week before you're ready to plant, spray the ground with herbicide to kill the roots of grass and weeds so your seedling or tree doesn't have to compete for water. Once the roots die, physically remove them. Then use a spade to loosen the soil. 2. Test for drainage. You want your seedlings to have plenty of water, but you don't want to drown them either. To check drainage, dig a hole roughly a foot deep, 30 centimeters. Fill it with water and then check it 12 hours later to make sure all the water has drained. If all the water drained, you're good to go. If not, either install land drains, select another area to plant, or only plant a type of pine proven to fare well in very wet conditions. 3. Dig your hole. Dig a hole slightly larger than the seedling's root structure or container, plus a little deeper. The bigger the root structure/container, the deeper the hole. You're going to fill that extra space at the bottom with topsoil, so as you dig your hole, keep that soil accessible. Depending on how much you're removing, divide the soil into different cups, buckets, or piles to keep track of it. 4. Line the bottom with topsoil. Topsoil has the most nutrients, so make this the root's first contact with the native soil. Once you've dug your hole, fill the extra space at the bottom with topsoil until the hole's depth equals the root structure or container. If you live in a very wet region, or if this particular spot receives excessive water for whatever reason, add a little more topsoil to raise the top of the root structure/container a little bit above ground. 5. Inspect your seedlings. Before you stick them in the ground, double-check their health. Ensure a healthy growth by disposing of any seedlings or trees that already seem to be on their way out. Keep in mind that seedlings are very fragile, so be very gentle when handling them. 6. Separate roots. Ensure that they spread away from the base of the tree so they cover the most ground. This way the tree will have more access to nutrients and water in the soil. 7. Plant your seedling or tree. Place the root structure or container in your hole. Continue filling the hole, using the topsoil first. Softly tamp the soil with a small tool, like your shovel's handle, as you go until the surface area is flat and even with the surrounding ground or slightly domed above it.